Hey everyone, this is John, and we've got Megan with us. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. We are a super powerhouse reselling duo couple from Fredericktown, Missouri. We sell all kinds of really neat stuff on eBay. We own a pop culture shop right above our head, and we sell toys and all kinds of neat stuff out of that. So if you like that stuff, go down below and maybe hit that subscribe button, and maybe even do what? What should they do? They should like the video. Like the video. I thought I was going to have to lead her on, but she just ran.
Well, I was like, what did you say already? You said to subscribe. So,
yeah. She is taking off. She's like, one day I just started running, and I don't know why. So she got it right. I'm proud of her. She's going to be the YouTube star that I want to be. She's coming. So anyways, we're back to the video. We've got some stuff here. My beautiful assistant is going to hand me stuff, and she's going to do a lot of the talking. She's going to tell me what it sells for. What's that first item? Smack! Give me, oh yeah, right there. Put it in my hand. There we go. We've got a Half-Life video game. I'm going to bet this probably didn't sell for too much. It's just a basic CD. It'll ship pretty easy. How much did it sell for?
10 plus shipping.
10 plus shipping? Well, heck yeah. I'll take 10 bucks. We just spent 50 bucks eating Chinese, so let's see how many items it takes to pay for our lunch. The next item we have is this basic, bad word right here, we don't want to say it, but it's makeup. And how much did it sell for?
About 16 free shipping.
16 free shipping. So we're 2 items in. That means that we are about at 26 bucks. We still haven't paid for lunch yet. Hit me with another one. We have 4 of these. This is some stuff that I pick up at a salvage grocery store. Cloud 9 hot shapes. It's really cool. And we sold 4 of them. How much did they sell for?
40 plus shipping.
We paid for lunch. Lunch is paid for. What is another item that we sold? Oh yeah, I picked these up at a auction, and I didn't think they'd sell for very much, but we ended up selling them for how much?
8 plus shipping.
$8 plus shipping. Give me another one. Let me see it. Let me roll that beautiful bean footage. Here we go. This is just, I can't even show it to you. It's a silver bangle, sterling silver bangle. How much did it sell for?
14 plus shipping.
$14 plus shipping. We've got a sterling silver ring with some kind of blue stone. It's actually lapis or whatever they want to call it. It's cool. I like it a lot. It's got like a little feather right here, a little feather. It's so pretty. It's just absolutely gorgeous. How much did it sell for?
$31.46.
Whoa! $31.46 plus shipping on top. What's the next item? We got half of a. We're missing the top part here, but we sold the body of a. Yeah, it's a Power Rangers Dragon Thunder Zord. Just the pieces. These old toys like this, there's so much value here. Do not pass up. You can pick up something like this at a yard sale for $1/4. And how much did it sell for?
$11.65 plus shipping.
$11.65 plus shipping. That's that was my fried wontons. Oh, there we go right here. We've got a nice belt buckle. This is something I wanted to talk to you guys about, those of you who watch me local. This is going to a local person. I don't want to say their name because I don't know if they want to be mentioned. But this is a local person that follows me on YouTube. She's a personal friend. Love her a bunch. Think the world of her. I actually have a video on this channel where I went to her house and did a private pic in her storage house. But she bought this from me, and she is going to come in the store and pick it up. And that's the neat thing, is that we have, if you look down here in this basement, if you look that way, all of that stuff, every bit of it is for sale on our eBay store. And I'll have the link down below. You can go to our eBay store, buy this stuff, come in store, pick it up, and you don't have to pay shipping. Shipping's outrageous anymore. Shipping can be like 10, 15 bucks. Imagine being able to save $10, $15 off the price of a ton of cool stuff by buying it from our eBay store, then coming in and getting to see pretty Frances back here. What do we got here now? We got the comic books. We have a series of 4 comics. There's 4 different lots. This too is another local buyer that lives in a town about 20 minutes away from us. He bought a bunch of comics from us. He's going to come in. We're going to get to meet him. We're going to get to say, hey, what's up, bro? Buy some more stuff. No, I'm just kidding. But he bought the Amazing Spider-Man number 51 with what looks like to be my second favorite redhead, Gwen Stacy. That's kind of cool. Then he bought Deathlock number 1. with the metallic cover. I don't know if that's a variant cover or if that's the standard cover. He bought X-Men 157. That's pretty cool. And then he has a lot of 1 and 2 of these Night Thrasher. There's actually 4. The set of 4 of Night Thrasher, the whole run of this little jaunt off of whatever. And how much, you know how much it was all total together?
About 33 total, I think.
33 total, but I wonder what shipping would have been on that, because you can't ship that medium out. He's probably going to save, like $8-9 shipping. Do we have anything else that we need to see, Francis?
Nope, that's it.
That is it. So we're going to jump into the next part of the video. Okay, guys. So I'm putting on my old man reader glasses here because we're going to read some comments from the last video while my beautiful wife packages up all the stuff and does the heavy lifting. First question, and the one that I pinned because, you know, hey, you got to love your haters as much as you love your people that don't hate you, I guess. It says, Linda Smith, she made a comment that said, wow, how obnoxious you are. Explains your subscriber count. You're probably right, Linda. I am a little obnoxious. My wife, Megan Johnson, wrote, my husband is so handsome. Right? She's over there laughing at me. It says, Jeebus Spires, don't blame you a bit. Those phones are heavy and shipping is not cheap. If you described it accurately, why should you be on the hook for the return shipping? This was the video that I just put out yesterday that had to do with a lady that sent the phone back to me. That was, she said there was something wrong with it, but there really wasn't. Thank you, Jabus, for that comment. I really appreciate it. Jeannie, sweet lady, says, thanks, John. Sounds about right. You put out there how we feel, and it's about how we feel about getting screwed by people on eBay. Nobody likes it. Nobody likes it. Now, this is a guy I really like, the curator of the thrift. You guys need to go over and check out his YouTube channel. Seems to be a super cool guy. He put out a video today about how to box a coffee cup up, and it was pretty awesome. He did a great job. It says, I don't get many returns, but a recent one, I also didn't give them back the original cost of shipping. People these days just love to complain. Amen. Once the item comes back, I give it a full look over it. If they claim, and if what they claim isn't even there, then I do what I got to do. So I'm not out too much money, but then sometimes I just eat it and write it off. Exactly. If I took a lock back and the lock was like, the key didn't work on it, so I said, you know what? That's Johnny's fault. Johnny's at fault here, not Megan, not Mrs. Francis. She's not at fault. I'm at fault. So what ends up happening is I end up giving him all of his money back. He said, I love the Enzo Ferrari. I like this video. They had a bunch of Ferrari stuff up on the wall. I have one myself. If one of those few remaining pieces of my collection that I just can't sell off due to autographs I was able to get on it, that would be really cool. And John, get that U-Cut app for your phone because everything's backwards. If you notice, my stuff's backwards on my shirt. And Backroad Bitter Chuck, he's another great YouTuber. You need to go check out his stuff. He does all kinds of really good videos, does an auction. He says, nice purse, Francis. My wife is cheaper than me, and I love her for it. Nothing better in life that God can bless you with than with a cheap wife who doesn't like to spend money. And I'll stand on that. Ben says, I just put in a title description, and all products are secondhand and could have marks, dents, scratches, discoloration, and such, and never had issues with an item as not as described from little things such as this. But the thing is that you could, Ben, and I've did that too many times. But the fact of the matter is, Ben, all they have to do is say that you didn't describe it accurately, and they're going to get their money back. They don't care. Liver Rust 5 says, I'm getting Family Guy vibes from this video. And you know what? I bet you probably are. And Nickel Coins and More gave me a thumbs up. And as always, brother, thumbs up back to you. So I want to tell everyone I appreciate you for stopping by. If you would go down and maybe karate chop the like button and maybe give the 1-2 combination to that subscribe button, that'd be really cool. We appreciate you guys. And prove Linda wrong. Tell her that we are not a crappy YouTube channel that got all the subscribers that we deserve. Only you can make us not crappy by going down apparently and hitting that subscribe button, because if we don't have a bunch of subscribers, then we must suck. So help us not suck. Go down below, and you know what you got to do. Hit that subscribe button, and we would greatly appreciate that. Hope you guys have a good day, Thank you very much for watching. And as always, tell me my YouTube channel sucks. I tell you what.
Screw you, Linda.
I don't know. How do you turn this thing off? Oh my God, I'm still recording.